Top focus this hour. On the top of this edition of this news, we are getting you another sensational and critical investigation input, which raises several questions on the Rohan Rai's behavior on the day Disha Salian fell to her death from his 12th floor apartment in Malad, Mumbai. Top sources have now revealed that multiple witnesses in their statements have hinted that Rohan Rai did not immediately rush downstairs and took at least a good 20 to 25 minutes to show up. In fact, credible sources have also revealed that Rohan came down after being called multiple times by the neighbors. Let's go across to my colleague Reema now, joining us live from Mumbai. Reema, these are startling revelations, and joining us live from outside the DRDO guest house that we have access to as to how, and we have been reporting this earlier as well, how Rohan Rai's behavior on the day when Disha was, in fact, she fell from the apartment was extremely suspicious. Why did he go downstairs at least a good 20 to 25 minutes after Disha fell down?
बिल्कुल, रिपब्लिक मीडिया नेटवर्क ये हर दिन सवाल उठाते रहा कि रोहन को पहुंचने में जहां 2 मिनट में पहुंचा जा सकता है, वहां 25 मिनट कैसे लग गया। और यही सवाल अब सीबीआई के जहन में है। सीबीआई सूत्रों के हवाले से जो खबर हम तक पहुंच रही है, उसमें यही कहा जा रहा है कि सीबीआई की बड़ी टीम को भी यही डाउट है रोहन को लेकर। और लास्ट लोकेशन के बारे में अगर हम बात करें कि रोहन का लास्ट लोकेशन क्या था, तो वो ये बताया जा रहा है कि वो नागपुर में था। तो अब जो सवाल हमारे जहन में था, अब जो सवाल हम अपने दर्शकों के सामने रख रहे थे, वही सवाल रोहन से पूछताछ करने वाली है सीबीआई की टीम। क्योंकि कल इस तरीके की खबर सीबीआई के हवाले से आ चुकी थी कि सुशांत और दिशा के मामले में कनेक्शन है, क्योंकि सुशांत दिशा की मौत के बाद बहुत घबराए हुए थे, बहुत परेशान हुए थे। सिद्धार्थ पिठारी ने जब सीबीआई की टीम के सामने बैठकर बयान दिया, तो बयान यही दर्ज है सीबीआई के पास। और अब ये सारी बातें आपस में लिंक होती हुई नजर आ रही है। यही वजह है कि आज सुबह से इस बात पे हम फोकस कर रहे हैं कि जो सवाल हमने बार बार उठाया दर्शकों के सामने, और जो नितेश राणे भी उठा रहे थे, और यही वजह है कि वो सीधे सीधे देश के गृह मंत्री से सुरक्षा की गुहार लगा रहे थे कि रोहन को सुरक्षा दी जाए। वो सीबीआई की टीम के सामने आए और वो बताए कि 8 तारीख की पार्टी में ऐसा क्या हुआ था जो सीधे सीधे हत्या कर दी गई दिशा की। तो ये बड़ा मामला है, सनसनीखेज खुलासा सूत्रों के हवाले से, सीबीआई सूत्रों के हवाले से हम कर रहे हैं, जिसमें सबसे महत्वपूर्ण पॉइंट है कि जहां पे 2 मिनट में पहुंचा जा सकता था, वहां रोहन 25 मिनट कैसे उसे लग गया, और उससे पहले दिशा के पास उसके दोस्त कैसे पहुंचे। ये सारे सवाल बहुत अहम है। दीप अजमेरा, जिसके बारे में अभी तक पता नहीं चल पा रहा है कि वो क्यों मीडिया से दूरी बना रहे। रश्मि देसाई, जिसने आके मीडिया से बातचीत की, फोन पे बातचीत की, लेकिन जब हमने उनसे कैमरे के सामने बातचीत करनी चाहिए तो उन्होंने कह दिया, बात करने से इनकार कर दिया। तो जाहिर सी बात है कि इस मामले को, यानी दिशा के मामले को बड़े लेवल पे हैंडल किया जा रहा है, और याद से नहीं हो रहा है, यह शुरुआती वक्त से हो रहा है। पुलिस की लापरवाही को लेकर कल हमने अनिल देशमुख से, जो कि महाराष्ट्र के गृह मंत्री हैं, उनसे सवाल पूछा, नहीं जवाब दिया। तो जाहिर सी बात है कि बहुत कुछ बड़ा मामला है जिसको सीबीआई की टीम खंगाल के रहेगी और सच सामने लाकर रहेगी।
In fact, Reema, stay with us. We'll go across to Yesha now, who has been part of this entire investigation team. Yesha, you have been closely tracking all the developments as far as Rohan Rai is concerned. We saw how BJP MLA Nitesh Rane has come out and made some startling revelation as to how Rohan Rai might hold the key when it comes to really telling us as to what exactly happened on the 8th. But the fact is, why did he wait for 20 to 25 minutes before coming downstairs? It was the neighbors who in fact told him that Disha has fallen down.
That's right. So BJP MLA Nitesh Rane, speaking to our editor-in-chief Arnab Goswami, had clearly mentioned that for the last 2.5 months, Rohan Rai, who was Disha's fiancé, has been missing. He has not been in Mumbai and has gone to his native place. The fact that Rohan Rai, who was Disha's fiancé, came down only 25 minutes later also raises a question, because apart from Disha, there were 5 other people at Rohan Rai's Malad residence who were present in that party. We were also informed that it was these friends who took Disha to the hospital, and that Disha was very much alive, when she fell. So in that case, why is Rohan Rai not coming out? Like Nitish Rane mentioned that if Riya Chakravarti was being questioned in case of Sushant Singh Rajput's death, similarly Rohan Rai, who's Disha's fiance, is the closest link to Disha because he would have known as to what transpired at the party that took place before this party at Malad at Juhu, which we've been told was a party wherein Disha was asked to go by her office people, by Cornerstone. So in that party there were 5 more people, which included people from Bollywood, a politician and a builder. In that case, if there was something that transpired at that party, it was Rohan who would have known about it, because Disha had called up Rohan and informed about the incidents of that party. We are also told that it was Sushant Singh Rajput who was also informed about what happened at that party. So this is an important link in Disha and Sushant case, because if Rohan knows about what transpired just a few hours before Disha's death, then this becomes a crucial link which CBI as well as Mumbai Police needs to investigate. But in this case, Mumbai Police, who has just filed an accidental death report and not questioned any of the people linked to that party or people close to Disha Salian. And if there's no link that Mumbai Police has, and if CBI is also questioning Disha's bosses from Cornerstone and her friends from Cornerstone, then the link to that party and the party that took place at Malad, from where Disha jumped to her death or was pushed from the 12th floor of this high-rise at Malad, becomes crucial, especially about what happened a few hours before Disha's death and how is Disha's death linked to Sushant Singh Rajput's death, and the possible homicide angle becomes crucial through Rohan Rai's testimony. And in that case, if Rohan Rai is not in Mumbai and as his last location has been traced to Nagpur, it needs to be it becomes important that Rohan Rai is summoned and his question about what happened and what he knows about Disha's link to Cornerstone,
so
about
that
what was bothering
has
Disha.
Been missing, and he went back, left Mumbai after the death of Disha Salian, raises several questions, and he's speaking allegedly to Nitish Rane as well and telling him that he knows everything. Despite that fact, he's not coming to the fore, also raises several questions. We'll wait and see how soon he will be called in by the agency. Many thanks, Desha and Rima, for joining us at this point.